Before the printing press was invented, the way that they published books were that the author would write a book, and then after they would send it to the monks. And what the monks did was they copied the book down by hand. And at this time, the books were way more expensive. But luckily for them, this guy invented the printing press. Johann Gutenberg was a goldsmith, and what goldsmiths do is they work with gold. The types. These are the types that were used during the Renaissance. They were metal types instead of wood because metal was more durable. They would place them in an order like this, and after they would ink them and press it against a piece of paper. The first book that Johann Gutenberg published was the 42-line Bible. The reason why it's called the 42-line Bible is because on every page there were 42 lines. This is the movable type printer invented by Johann Gutenberg. It was invented during the Renaissance. On the top you could see a round surface. That was where all the ink went. There are two rollers on your right, and those would go take ink from the top and put on the letters. On the bottom you could see a pedal. You would press that pedal to see the two rollers go up, collect ink, and ink the letters. Then after that, the paper would squish together with the letters, and then that's how you printed paper. Printing has come a long way from the days of the Renaissance to the modern day era. Hi, I'm at the plate department. This is where the plates, like the metal plates, get made. So we put the virgin plates in here. Then after the plates move on to this exposes the plates. And after the plates move on to this machine and it develops it, then you see the end result come out of the end of the machine over here. Right now you see the exposed plate slowly moving into the developer. And this machine called the developer develops the paper. And by what I mean by that is it imprints the picture like it's shown over here. The picture is now imprinted into the plate and is ready for use. When the plate comes out of the developer, it is ready for use. Once the plates are collected, they will move on to this machine, and this machine prints the paper. As you could see, there's the imprint of a design on the roller right now. And when the paper passes through, that's the mark that gets put onto it. Over here you will see all the ink cartridges. There are 6 in total, but over here in this video only 4 are working. Yellow ink, red ink, blue ink, and black ink. Over here you will see a roller spinning. Little experiment. I was walking next to this printing press and I was counting my steps. As a total, I counted 35 steps from the back to the front. So right now you could see that the machine is going 8,000 sheets per hour. This is the front of the machine, and at the front of the machine you can see all the printed papers coming out as the final result.